So hello guys, kasama natin ngayon si Ma'am.
Here natin.
So Ma'am, this question po is about living in IT era po.
IT.
Yes. So the first question po is how has technology changed the way you do your job?
In my office work before, IT technology would make our job easier. Like for example, in the preparation of the reports. So after checking the reports of my examiners, I give it to them. No need to retype because you can do the correction within the screen of your computer.
So ano po Ma'am? With that po, ano po yung biggest advantage ng experience mo using IT in your daily work?
Daily work here?
Okay, in the school, as a teacher po.
As a teacher,
Or as the biggest advantage po?
the biggest advantage because with the use of the computer, okay, it makes our lectures easier because you can project it anyway on the screen. Just in case the students are not able to read it, we also send it through our Google Class.
So with that po, ano po yung na-face yung challenges with comes in technology po sa trabaho?
Challenges because I do not have computer knowledge enough in my past is my challenge is how to operate the computer inside my class. I always ask the students to do it for me because I do not know how to set it up.
So with that difficulties po sa mga sa technologies po. Ano naman po yung yung na-improve no technology the way you educate and how do you see it in the future?
I think if all of us are trained and educated in using technology, technologies, like for example, the use of those gadgets, it would be easier for all of us, and the workflow will be more fast than before. Kasi hindi na kami nagsusula, it is already there. Okay.
In that po, what do you ano po yung makikita nyo mabibigay po na advice sa mga students preparing them into the digital world or technology world? Ano po masasabi nyo? May papayo po sa amin.
Okay, so since these technologies are included in the curriculum of all courses, diba?
Yes,
So they have to learn it and adapt it, use it so that they will be ready. They will be ready in applying it to their studies. Actually, it would be better if all are educated in that line. So, kami, dahil mga senior na kami, we do not have those subjects in our curriculum. But what we did is, like for example, when I was in Bangko Central, I have to enroll in outside centers to learn how to use the Excel because that's what is needed in our report as investigator.
Hindi na po, thank you po.
Okay.
Thank you po.